Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Karun the Sailor. Today video is regarding MSc sponsorship for DEC Cadet 2021. And in this video I will be explaining about what is the cost for the sponsorship exam and interview process as well as eligibility criteria and career path in MSc. So let's start. Guys, the eligibility criteria for this examination is education qualification should be 10 plus 2 with PCM of 65%. PCM means physics, chemistry and mathematics. BSc with physics in any of the years 65%. BE or BTech 55% in final year. And 10th, 12th or graduation, anything. If you scored 50% marks in English, you are also eligible, guys. And age limit, as of 1st September 2021, 17 years of age you have to have, and if you finish your intermediate you need to have 19 years, and 22 years for BSc or graduate as of 1st September 2021. Guys, the fees details are as below. For registration for examination, fees is rupees 800, which you will get a email from concerned company so that you can pay it. And registration starting date is already started, guys, 6th of July. Sorry for the delay. Today I found it and I edited immediately this video, and last date for your examination registration is 19th of July. So guys, only 2 days is remaining. Please try to register for examination, and examination dates will be from 21st to 25th of July. Here I kept a note. You can select any of the date from 21st to 25th, whichever date you would like to have. You can book for concerned date as per your availability, and exam will be in online. You will be get monitored, guys. There should be a camp while writing this examination, and you will be monitored. You can't do any mistakes. Regarding this, I will keep a separate link. So regarding this, how to write this exam and all. Okay, guys. And next is, guys, this exam details are below. Examination duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes. It consists of total 50 questions, and as below: English 15 questions, mathematics 12 questions, physics is 13, and general knowledge GK is 10 questions, total 50. And these all questions are multiple choice questions, objective type multiple choice questions. This interview selection process is in 5 steps, guys. First will be your online written exam, and second one will be video interview. Once you cleared your online exam, you will be having a video interview, and once you select in that video interview, you need to book for your examination, entrance examination, IMU exam. And once you are eligible in that, you will be calling for medical company medical and eyesight test. And after that, after clearing your medical and eyesight, you will be having a psychometric test. As I explained you before only what is psychometric test. They just want to test your whether you will be suitable for this personality, like whether you will be suitable for this job or not. These are the 5 steps where they will do interview process. So once you clear this written exam, you will have a video interview, guys, either through Skype. They will provide one link. Once you have cleared this written exam, they will send an email regarding your interview, when it will be and all, and at that time you have to join in that concerned link. And if you select in this interview, you need to attend. After clearing this interview process, you need to attend your IMU set exam, guys. There will be an entrance test for this exam. And note, without clearing this entrance exam, you will not be admitted. Even though you have cleared your interview, you will not be admitted without clearing this entrance examination. The successful candidate will call for medical test, guys, which cost around rupees 6,000 for medical. This should be paid by you only. The company will not pay you for these medical examinations, guys. You have to pay this 6,000. Even nowadays, since this corona is there, they are doing this corona test also, RT-PCR test, which will be payable by candidate only. This will be around 1,500, like that. And successful candidate who has cleared this medical will call for psychometric test by the company, which cost rupees 1,000. For this psychometric test also, you have to pay the amount. Company will not pay anymore. Only you have to pay this amount. Once you're done with above requirements, all these 4 steps, And once you have cleared this psychometric written exam, even IMU set exam and interview, once you have done with this, you need to pay a non-refundable amount, guys. For means it will be non-refundable 15,000 of rupees to MSc company, because guys, once you have selected, they want the confirmation whether you are going to join in our company or not. So for that reason, they are asking you to pay this non-refundable amount. So according to that, they will book your for this one pre-C training 1 year course in institute, guys. These selected candidates will assign in DG approved institute via this MSc training academy on the basis of final results. So guys, these are the main important points which I made. This medical test will be conducted by company doctors, guys. DJ approved doctors will be there. The company will call for you and to attend an medical test in concerned place. So you will be going there and you will clear your medical test, eyesight as well as. Okay guys, you should not have any color blindness. This is very, very important. Next, this pre-C training is for diploma in nautical science course. You will be 1 year PC training. All these fees for exam and medical should be paid by candidate only. You have to pay every fees, even examination fees, medical test fees, psychometric test fees, everything should be paid by you only. Once the selection process, in this selection process, you should pay a non-refundable amount of rupees 50,000 for MSc company. Guys, once you have cleared all the 5 steps of interview process, you need to pay around of rupees 15,000 for MSc company. For this company, you need to pay certain amount, saying that I will be staying in this company only, I will not change anymore, for that reason. So once you paid this amount, they will be allotting a college for you regarding DJ approved college, so that you can go for that college and you can complete your pre-C training. And this training cost around 4 lakhs, guys. It will be around 4 lakhs. The 1 year pre-C training course is for 4 lakhs. It will be around, but according to the type of institute they have given. Okay, even though you select an interview for sure, you should pass in IMU entrance examination. So guys, so once you have selected in this interview, you have cleared written and interview, guys, then you need to go for concerned IMU examination, which date it is there. You have to book that examination, you have to clear it. Once you have cleared, if you inform for this company, they will call for medicals, for medical examination and all. You will be going for medicals, you will be attending it, and even eyesight. Once if the concerned doctor says that you have fit for this course, they will inform for company that you have fit for course. Then they will call for this psychometric test, which cost around 1,000 rupees. In that also, if you have cleared, they will provide you an sponsorship and also the institute where you have to do the course. Okay guys, and one more important thing is this sponsorship examination you can give only once in a year. You can't give more times. You only once in a year you have to give. Now they kept in for July month, again they make up somewhere some time around in the month of August or any time. At that time you can't apply for this examination. Only once in a year you can apply. Individual should check, only concerned individual should go for IMU website for IMU set exam and need to apply for it. Okay guys, and as per, if you join this course, how your career will be there, you will be having this kind of doubts. For this I have written this. Once you complete your pre-C training, you will be posted in company vessel as a deck cadet, guys. How this BSc student 3-year guys will join as a deck cadet, you also will join as a deck cadet like that. And you will be getting around a stipend of 20,000 per month. Since you are in a diploma in nautical science, you are doing 1 year course, you will be getting a stipend of rupees 20,000 per month when you posted in company vessel. So you will be sailing this like this for 18 months, like 6 6 6 3 times 3 sailings you will be doing like that. Depends upon how your company procedures and all. Generally it will be for 6 months, so 3 sailings they will provide you as for 18 months. Once you finish 18 months of sea time, you will be eligible for appearing COC, certificate of competency exam, for second mate foreign going vessel, FG vessel. And not only that, guys, once you clear your CVC, you will be joining as a junior officer. From junior officer, according to the your seniority, your experience, you will be going as a second mate, then chief officer. Again you have to write examination, and for captain again you have to write examination. You will be going in captain level, up to captain level. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Not only that, and this MSc company is very big company and very good company. Please everyone try to attend examination, give at least one try for this sponsor examination, and hope everyone will get placements. And for this registration and all, I will keep in description, guys, this link and all. Please try to do this registration as early as possible. Only 2 days you have the time. Thank you guys, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe for more videos, guys. Really I will helpful for you. And